Welcome back, guys. I'm going to be showing you the YZF starting up for the first time, which is going to be awesome, and some riding videos. I don't have the greatest camera setup, so please bear with. There's some other stuff I didn't include, i.e. putting the fairings back together and whatnot. I thought that'd be a bit boring, so I've left it out. Let me know what you think, and enjoy.
Which way are you going? Alright, carry on. You can hear the popping or not. It's fucking beautiful. Yeah, I'm trying to keep as best I can under 5,000 RPM, just because the engine's running in. So yeah, driving nice. She's absolutely awesome. Downshifts perfectly as it should. It's amazing. Oh, flipping gorgeous. What more could you ask for, you know? Such a sweet drive it is. 125, it's so nice. Handles really well as well, it just wants it. I'm not giving it any. Well, 125 bug out. Where is this one? It's quite up. It's fabulous, honestly. Not much more I could ask for in a bike like this. You know it's not the quickest thing in the world. However, it's just so nice. Economical as well. You really cannot go wrong. We're going up the hill right now, and it's just accelerating. I think I'm in. Got cyclists up ahead, one of the privileged lot. They wear speedos and ride their bike. Weirdos. Honestly could never understand them. Well, each to their own, I suppose.
that's all for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. The only thing left on the YZF is the front fork seals, so we're going to be doing that in the next video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you there.